As the sun shines on all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to Loc's Lux Lifestyle. Today I'm back with another hair tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how I slick my locks back into like a nice sleek bun. Before locking my hair, I was an avid bun wearer. One of my favorite styles was the slick back with my natural hair. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I recreate that same style with my thick locks. So let's get into it. So first I'm going to start with some of the products I like to use. First up is just water in this spray bottle. Next I have my Talia Waheed African Healing Oil. I also like to use some aloe vera gel. This particular one has tea tree oil in it. I'm going to use some edge control. I prefer the Style Factor Edge Booster. And I'm also going to use the Nairobi Styling Foam. And if you are interested in any of these products, make sure to click the link in the description box for My Loc Essentials and it'll take you to my Amazon storefront with all the products that I love to use on my hair. So I'm beginning by just spraying my hair down with that water bottle. I usually wet my hair in general for like day-to-day maintenance. However, when I want to get like a slick bun or ponytail, I do kind of saturate my hair a little more just because I feel like my hair moves easily and it's just easier to get that slick look. Now I'm going in with my oil, again something you guys see me do all the time here in my hair tutorials, and then I'm just lathering my hair and my scalp with the oil before we get started. So usually I do a middle part when I do this style. However, today I think I wanted to do a side part, so I'm just going to part my hair according to like my grid for my locks. When I did my starter locks, I made sure to like give myself defined parts because I know that's how I like to part my hair. So I'm just using my fingers to, you know, part my hair how I want. Next, I'm going to go in with that aloe vera gel and I'm going to take a generous amount and I like to apply this along my parted area and then like the perimeter of my head so I get my edges as well as the back of my head. Now I will say this style is more of a no retwist or like old retwist style. I typically do this when I know I'm going to wash my hair within the next week. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing this look or this method for like a fresh retwist, but since my retwist is old, my roots are kind of loose, I'm just going to use that aloe vera gel to smooth it out. I've seen people use like what's it called, Eco Styler gel. I just prefer to use this aloe vera gel because I use it from time to time to retwist my hair. It's lightweight. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't give you like a super hold, but it gets the job done for me. Now I'm gonna go in with this scrunchie that I just cut. So I like to take just like these standard scrunchies like this, and then I usually just kind of snip it somewhere, and then I get this long string and I like to use these for my ponytails because it's so much easier to get like thick hair into a ponytail. So now I'm just starting by just kind of smoothing my hair back into a ponytail, and this is really the key to getting your locks in that slick bun or ponytail. Taking your time and placing your locks in a way that they fall smoothly over each other and it's not bumpy. I see people brush their locks and stuff like that. I don't necessarily have anything against it. It's just not my preferred method. And I don't have that much like loose roots to where I feel like I need to use a brush. Usually just using my fingers and raking my locks into position helps me get like that really flat ponytail or bun. And I also like to leave 2 locks out in the front, like where the temples are, to prevent any pulling. And so once I get my ponytail positioned how I want it, I take that string and I start from the bottom going up. I wrap around the top and then I take those two ends and pull them back down and tie it. And I really like this method because you can adjust how tight or how loose you want it, and it's just a lot easier than using like a scrunchie to try to, you know, wrap and get all the hair through the scrunchie and stuff. I highly recommend this method if you have locks or if you have thicker hair. And so here is how my hair is looking, and any parts that kind of got messed up or they're not falling how I want, I just go back in with my fingers and place them in the position that I want. And then for those loose locks that I left in my temple, I just take a bobby pin to pin them to the ponytail. I have finer edges, and with locks I feel like my edges look even more finer, and so this just prevents any additional like tension or pulling in those areas. So I highly recommend this if you want like low tension buns or ponytails and stuff with locks. And then I'm just gonna go in with my edge control and do my edges. I know that like baby hairs and edge designs aren't for everyone. However, for this look, you don't have to do like any swoops, but I definitely recommend just going in with some edge control and at least just brushing those edges back. I feel like it makes a big difference in how sleek your ponytail or your bun will look. You can kind of see now with just my one side that has my edges done compared to the other side, it definitely just gives it a more like sleek finish. So you don't have to do baby hairs, but I do recommend going in with some edge control and just brushing your edges back to just tame them a lot. Not saying that locks have to be tamed, but if you want like that really sleek look, this is what I would recommend. So most of the time I just wear it as a ponytail, but today I decided that I wanted to do a bun, but this is how it looks just as the ponytail. Very simple, but I love just the sleekness of like a slick back. But again, we're gonna do a ponytail today. We're gonna do a bun today. What I'm talking about. Honestly, I do my buns different all the time, but today I just split my hair into two, and then I'm just twisting each section, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around the base of the ponytail and then secure it with a bobby pin, and I do that again with each section. And we're almost there, you guys. So next I'm gonna go in with that Nairobi foam, and I'm gonna pump some of that in my hand and just lather it all over my hair where it's like slicked down just to help set it. And make sure to get the back as well as like my edges and baby hair, like I get everything. And then I go in with a headscarf, and I'm just going to tie that down so that it sets, and it also helps just add a little compression to further flatten it and give you like again that sleek look. And usually at this point I would do my makeup while my hair sets, but I didn't wear makeup today, so I do recommend though keeping this tied down for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You can go longer, but at least give it 20 to 30 minutes to set. So I let mine sit for about an hour. And here is how it looks after I remove my headscarf. As you can see, it's super flat. Like if you look at me straight on, you can't really even tell that I have locks, but I do. And here's just like the back. Obviously the bun is gonna be the bun. You're not gonna be able to get like a super teeny bun with locks. However, the sleekness, you get all of that. And so yes, I really love this look. Very simple and put together. It's also super comfortable. Like literally there's no tension, especially with the way that I do my scrunchie and how I pin my locks on the edges. But that is going to be it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.